If we look throughout the world today, we find two types of people. Wherever you look, in whichever society, in whichever workplace, in whichever school, you will find that there are two types of people. There is one group of individuals who make it a part of their life that whatever task they have been given at hand, whatever job, whatever occupation that they have been given, they will use all of their God-given talents, all of their skills, all of their abilities to make sure that that task is achieved at the best level as it possibly could be. They will work, they will put in their time, they will put in their energy, they will put in their skills to make sure that that job, that task that they were given is the best as it possibly ever could be. That's one group of people. And there's a second group of individuals who are those employees, who are those individuals, those brothers and sisters that make it a part of their lives. That not only will they use their skills in their life, all their talents, their energy, their time, their work, to fulfill the task that they have at hand, but they will make sure that while I fulfill my task, while I'll complete my job, I raise others with me. And I pick up other people with me. As an employer, which employee would I want? Do I want that employee that will do his job or her job, clock in at 9 o'clock and clock out at 5 p.m. and they did their job and they did their job at an epitome of it. They did a fabulous job. But while they were doing that job, no one else was affected with their greatness. No one else was able to take from their qualities. No one else was able to take from that which he or she can provide. But rather, whatever that person had was confined within himself or herself. Or would you want a person to work for us that has the quality that whatever abilities that he or she has, they can take it, they do their job to the best of it, but they also benefit those that are with them, and they raise the ability of those that are around them. And your brothers and sisters, similarly, there are two types of slaves of Allah. There are two types of ibad. There are two types of servants. There are two types of Muhammadis. There is one group of us who tell ourselves that I want to be that person, that I pay my salat on time, I'll give my zakat, I'll go for my hajj, I'll do all the tasks that have been assigned to me as an ummati of the Prophet ﷺ. I'm doing that, I'm doing all those tasks the best I possibly can. All those tasks have been taken care of, but that's where that person stops. That's where his engine turns off. Beyond that, there is nothing for him or her. But then there is another group of people. There is another group of ibad of Allah that they say to themselves that yes, I will take care of all my tasks. My salat will not hinder. I will not fall back in my zakat. I will make sure my siyam is the best as it possibly can. But at the same time, my responsibility is to raise the level of other people around me. Is to raise those that are within my communities.